If you are thinking about investing in high-quality kitchen appliances, and you want Ninja products that deliver real performance without going over a €500 budget, this top 3 is exactly what you need. Ninja has built a strong reputation for powerful, reliable, and versatile kitchen gear. But choosing the right model can be confusing with so many options available. So in this video, I tested Ninja products to see which ones truly offer the best value under €500 and which ones are actually worth adding to your kitchen. In the third, I tested the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven because I wanted to see if a portable electric outdoor oven could really deliver restaurant-quality pizzas and versatile cooking without the complexity of traditional wood-fired setups. And from the first use, what impressed me the most was how fast it heats up, since it reaches very high temperatures in just a few minutes, which allowed me to cook pizzas in about 3 minutes, with a nicely blistered crust and a soft interior that honestly felt very close to what you get in a pizzeria. And the 5 artisan pizza settings made it easy to adapt to different styles like Neapolitan thin crust or pan pizza without guessing temperatures. And I also liked the overall versatility, because this is not just a pizza oven, but a real 8-in-1 outdoor cooker that can roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, keep warm, and even smoke food. Using the integrated smoker box, which added a subtle wood-fired flavor to meats and vegetables without requiring constant attention. And the temperature control felt precise enough to cook a wide range of foods from steaks to casseroles, while the build quality gave a solid premium impression, suitable for outdoor use. Now when it comes to drawbacks, the first thing I noticed is that despite being portable, the unit is quite large and heavy, which makes it less convenient to move or store if you have limited outdoor space. And because it runs on electricity, it requires an outdoor power source, which limits where you can use it compared to gas or charcoal ovens. And while the oven can reach very high temperatures, some users, including myself, notice that temperature consistency can vary slightly depending on weather conditions, which means you may need a bit of practice to get perfectly repeatable results. And the control buttons, while functional, did not feel as robust as the rest of the unit, and occasionally felt less responsive. And finally, the price places it clearly in the premium category, which may be hard to justify if you only plan to use it occasionally. My conclusion after testing this Ninja Woodfire Pizza Oven is that it delivers outstanding pizza-quality fast cooking times, impressive versatility, and authentic smoky flavor in a relatively simple electric setup, which makes it a fantastic option for people who love outdoor cooking and homemade pizza. And despite its size, power requirements, and small consistency issues, it still offers a unique, all-in-one experience that easily earns its place in third position for this Ninja top under €500. Secondly, I tested the Ninja Countertop Oven Double Stack XL and Air Fryer because I wanted to see if a large premium countertop oven could truly replace multiple appliances while staying under the €500 mark. And the first thing that immediately stood out was the dual oven design, which allows you to cook 2 completely different meals at the same time, using separate temperature and timing controls, while still finishing both dishes together, thanks to the Smart Finish feature, which is extremely convenient for busy evenings. And the FlexDoor system was more useful than I expected, because it lets you open only the top oven for quick meals, or access both compartments when cooking larger dishes, which helps save heat and time. And I was genuinely impressed by the Pro Cook system with the integrated thermometer, because it removed all the guesswork when cooking meat by automatically adjusting the cooking process to reach the exact doneness I wanted, which resulted in very consistent and juicy results, especially for chicken and salmon. And the 12-in-1 functionality made it easy to switch between air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, reheating, and even dehydrating, which really reduced the need for multiple appliances on the counter. And the XL capacity handled family-sized portions without feeling cramped, which is something many countertop ovens struggle with. Now, when it comes to drawbacks, the first thing I noticed is that the unit is quite large and heavy, which means it takes up a significant amount of counter space and is not ideal for smaller kitchens. And while it heats up very quickly, it can sometimes run hotter than expected, especially on keep warm or reheating modes, which requires a bit of adjustment and attention. And the fan noise during air fry mode is noticeable and louder than a standard toaster oven, which may bother some users in quiet environments. And although the controls feel premium, the learning curve is slightly steeper because of the many functions and settings which can feel overwhelming at first. My conclusion after testing this Ninja countertop oven is that it delivers impressive versatility, precise cooking results, and true dual-zone convenience, which makes it one of the most capable countertop cooking systems available under €500. And despite its size, noise level, and learning curve, it easily earns its place in second position for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a powerful, all-in-one Ninja appliance. And to finish, first of all, I tested the Ninja Luxe Café 3-in-1 because I wanted to see if a single machine under €500 could truly replace an espresso machine, a drip coffee maker, and a cold brew system without sacrificing quality. And from the very first use, it was clear that this machine is designed to simplify cafe-style drinks at home, because the Barista Assist technology guides you step by recommending the right grind size, weighing the coffee automatically, and adjusting temperature and pressure, which removed all the guesswork and gave me extremely consistent results, whether I was making espresso drip coffee or cold brew. And the integrated conical burr grinder with 25 grind settings delivered fresh and precise grinding that noticeably improved flavor compared to pre-ground coffee. And I really appreciated the hands-free milk frother because it produced smooth microfoam with both dairy and plant-based milk without any manual effort, which made lattes, cappuccinos, and iced drinks very easy to prepare. And the assisted tamper ensured perfectly compact pucks every time, which resulted in rich, balanced espresso shots with great crema, and the built-in storage for accessories kept everything organized and reduced clutter on the counter, while the self-cleaning and purge cycles made daily maintenance surprisingly easy for such an advanced machine. Now, when it comes to drawbacks, the first thing I noticed is that the machine is quite large and heavy, which means it takes up a significant amount of counter space and is not ideal for small kitchens. And while the interface is intuitive, the number of options and settings can feel overwhelming during the first few days, which creates a learning curve for users who want instant simplicity. And although the grinder performs very well, some users, including myself, noticed occasional inconsistencies or stopping issues over long sessions, which can be frustrating at this price point. And finally, the premium build and features come with a premium price, which may feel high if you only drink basic coffee and do not plan to use espresso or milk drinks regularly. My conclusion after testing the Ninja Luxe Café is that it delivers cafe-quality drinks, exceptional versatility, and intelligent automation that genuinely replaces multiple coffee machines in one elegant system. And despite its size, learning curve, and high price, it clearly stands out as the most complete and advanced Ninja product in this top. So for anyone serious about home coffee, without crossing into professional equipment, this machine easily earns the first place under €500. To wrap up this top 3 Ninja products under €500, each of these appliances stands out for a different reason. Whether it is outdoor cooking performance, everyday kitchen versatility, or cafe-level drinks at home. After testing them in real situations, the main difference comes down to how you cook and what you use most in your daily routine, because all 3 deliver strong performance but serve very different needs. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen with reliable, high-quality Ninja gear without overspending, one of these options will clearly fit your lifestyle. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.